Superbach, okay.
Yeah, that's from Portugal. Yeah.
Excellent.
So,
Oh, I thought you were taping.
no, well, I was, but the trail was fun. So the trail was nice, but I think it's time to stop for cerveza. The trail was fun. Superbach. The trail was fun, but I think it's time for a beer break. And they have these cute little bottles. Oh, put it in front of your face. The trail was fun, but I think it's time for a beer break.
Do that again. I looked the wrong way. How about you say one part and I'll say the other part?
Okay.
The trail was fun and I'll say, but now it's time for a beer break.
You say the trail was fun, and I'll say, but I think it's time for a beer break. No, wait a minute.
The trail was amazing to see all those tea leaves.
Mm-hmm. That's not what you were going to say.
We had an amazing time looking at all the tea. We had a great time at the plantation, hiking the trail. We had a great time at the plantation, hiking the trail among the tree leaves.
Good. And you got what you're saying? And now the car's coming. Again. Okay. Remember, it was a great trail, and it's time for a beer break.
Okay, shush. I'm trying to say it. We had a great time.
Blooper reel.
We had a great time.
I'm not looking in the right direction now. Okay.
Put your face over there. We had a great time on the trail.
We haven't even had any beer yet.
We had a great time on the trail. We had a great time to hike. We had a great time hiking on the plantation trail. We had a great time hiking on the plantation trail through all the tea leaves. But now it's time for a drink.
I think you've had way too many so far.
Oh my God.
Wait, because now there's a car coming by. Okay.
We had a great hike at the plantation, but now it's time for a beer break.
Can you say it without laughing like that?
No.
No,
that's
okay.
The way it
Do
is.
it again.
We had a great time on the hike. No, that was fine. Leave it.
No, it's...
We had a great time on the trail. We had a great time on the plantation trail, but now it's time for a beer break.
Yeah, and they come in these cute little bottles.
Oh, yeah.
They're really cute. They're tiny.